How to withdraw from Bitstamp. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Bitstamp. So in order to withdraw from Bitstamp, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is just make sure to follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you have to go ahead and log in into your account. So if you're using a web browser, all you need to do is just type in bitstamp.net/onboarding. Then it's going to take you to the interface, something like this. Now enter in your information and click the login button located right at the bottom. So after you tap on the withdrawal option located in the top right, from the left hand side bar, go ahead and tap on bank transfer. After that, you have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw, and you also need to select the currency type and all sort of things. Once you're done entering all of the information, click on continue to review, which is located right at the bottom. On the other interface, you have to confirm all of the details, and once you're sure about it, then click on the confirm button. So in that way, you can withdraw from Bitstamp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.